Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at Gymnocalycium Bruchii. So I've got the two that I own out at the moment, and this highlights the variances that can naturally occur even within this same type of plant. So you'll notice the one on the right, the petals are a lot paler. They still are quite pink, but the one on the left, the flowers are smaller, but they've got much more vibrancy and they're a lot brighter pink. So this particular plant is incredibly easy to care for. It has very high resistance to pests, diseases, overwatering, underwatering, too much sun and not enough sun. So this particular Gymnocalycium would be an ideal beginner's plant. They do flower from a young age and they don't require too much special treatment to get them to flower. The body shape is quite squat and more sort of like a barrel shape. And the spines are more of like a prickle or sort of like a stiff hair than actual thorns that will stick you, so they're quite easy to handle as well. They do offset quite readily, and I'll show you this guy here is a good example of just how many offsets they can produce. Now this particular plant is one that I don't mind when it offsets, because they generally offset from the base, which I think is much more attractive than some which will offset from around the top or the crown, which I don't think looks very nice. So look, the overall difficulty level for this plant is like a 1 or a 2. Anyone could grow this plant. It's very fuss free. This particular one here to the left, it did have a little bit of an issue with some spider mite, but that's the first time that anything's ever happened. The flower buds are also very interesting, as you can see here. They're kind of like scales almost, and then they obviously open up into this incredible flowers, which are absolutely gorgeous. Now the soil mix that I've got these guys in, it's about a 70-30, so 70% gravel and 30% organic matter. In saying that, you could probably grow them in just about anything. You would just need to adjust the watering frequency to accommodate the soil mix that you were using. In terms of fertilization, I only fertilize cacti once a year, sometimes once every 2 years if I've overdone it the year before. So this is Gymnocalycium Bruchii, absolutely beautiful plant, year-round interest, nice body form, nice spination, and easy to handle as well. This guy's not going to hurt you. These little ones here, probably a little bit more on the prickly side, but for the most part, they're a very nice and easygoing cactus. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.